Welcome to Pharma Mentor. Today we'll explore the evolution of pharmacy during the European era, formation of pharmaceutical societies, and the development of pharmacopoeias. The European era started with the rise of apothecaries. The profession evolved rapidly during the 16th and 17th centuries. Back then, an apothecary was someone who prepared and sold medicines and drugs. They were the go-to experts for remedies, much like today's pharmacist. As the profession grew, apothecaries wanted more recognition and structure. In 1617, King James I of England granted them a royal charter officially recognizing their profession and separating them from grocers. This was a game changer for pharmacy, giving apothecaries their identity as they started to build their own guilds. Fast forward to 1841. A London chemist named Jacob Bell gathered some of his fellow pharmacists and proposed an idea. Why not form a professional society to protect and regulate their profession? And that's how the Pharmaceutical Society of Great Britain was born. This society played a key role in pushing for laws to regulate chemists and control the sale of dangerous substances. Thanks to their efforts, the Pharmacy Act of 1852 and 1868 was introduced. This officially recognized pharmacy as an independent profession and ensured that only trained professionals could practice it. Now let's hop over to the United States. The first retail pharmacy in the US was founded in 1729 in Philadelphia by an Irish immigrant, Christopher Marshall. It was followed by the first hospital pharmacy in 1752, also in Philadelphia. By 1852, pharmacists in the US realized they needed a formal organization just like their British counterparts. This led to the formation of the American Pharmaceutical Association, now known as the American Pharmacist Association. This was also the first time pharmacists tried to standardize medicines, ensuring that drugs met certain quality and safety standards. Now let's talk about pharmacopoeias, the books that standardized medicine. Think of them as ancient drug manuals. The first known pharmacopoeia was written in Arabic in the 9th century by Sabur ibn Sahl. His book, The Great Book of Medicines, contained detailed formulas and instructions on how to prepare medicine. In the Western Caliphate, the doctor Ibn Abd Rabiha wrote Al-Dukkan. As time passed, Europe caught on, and in the 16th century, major cities like Nuremberg, London, Edinburgh, and Dublin started compiling their own pharmacopoeias. By the 19th century, pharmacists realized there were too many different pharmacopoeias, leading to confusion and inconsistencies. To solve this, they started working towards standardization. In 1820, 11 physicians in the US came together and created the USP, United States Pharmacopoeia. Similarly, in 1858, the British Pharmacopoeia BP was established to unify three existing UK pharmacopoeias: London, Edinburgh, Dublin. These efforts ensured that medicines were produced consistently, meeting set standards for identity, strength, quality, and purity. And that's the foundation of modern pharmacopoeias. In next video, we'll learn about the modern era of pharmacy as we know it today. So stay tuned, drop your questions in comment box, like, subscribe, and